Hello guys, my name is Trader Tina. So welcome to my channel. So guys, today this is episode 2 of the $5 to $5,000 challenge I started a few days ago. So guys, as you can see, my balance, we are up 400+%. I started this account at $5. So if we are up 400+%. That's huge, guys. Let me take you to the history. Look at the trades I took. Look at the account when I started. Look at the deposits, $5. The trades I took. Okay, so this was the last trade I took. I made 60 pips off the trade when I took sell trade on gold. So guys, I only trade gold. I don't trade any other pair. I trade gold. You can see the balance. I know some people will be dark if this is real, if this is a real account. So let me take you look at it. I'm using SNS broker. As you can see, this is a real account. SNS MT5 return. So this is a real account. So guys, look, as you can see, my deposits, I deposited $5, and look at my profits. I've made $22 on this account. That's 400+%. Okay, I'm up 400+%. So guys, let me just take you to trading view. I want to show you the trade I took. I want to share my strategy with you guys also, how I used to spot my entries, my trades, and how I enter the trade. Okay, so guys, my strategy is very simple. It's a straightforward strategy. Okay, so I combine Japanese candle and Aikanashi candle. Okay, that's it, guys. I combine. I use price action and a market structure. So this is it. So what I want to do first, when I will go as a scalp, I scalp, guys. I scalp because the goal is just to spot some entry, make some few pips, and get out of the market. That's the best way to flip an account. So I scalp. This is my scalping strategy. So I go to the 1 hour time frame. I want to see a bullish Japanese candle. As you can see, this is a bullish Japanese candle. So if I'm to take a buy trade, I want to see a bullish Japanese candle on the 1 hour time frame. So if I'm looking for sell trade, I want to see a bearish Japanese candle. As you can see, this is a bearish Japanese candle on the 1 hour time frame. And if you see, this is price action candlestick pattern. As you can see, this is the shooting star that is being formed here. Let me zoom out. Okay, zoom in. This is a shooting star that is being formed. That's a sign of reversal. Okay, so I spotted this. So if I'm taking a set trade, once I see this Japanese bearish Japanese candle, I'll go to, so this set trade, this is the one I took on Friday. I missed this buy trade because the market was so fast. I think there was news, so I didn't catch up with that buy trade. So let me just explain the set trade I took. So I spotted the bearish Japanese candle on the 1 hour time frame. So I went to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so before I go into that, let me just explain what I'm doing. Like, I use the stochastic oscillator. Okay, this is a stochastic oscillator, and I also use EMA 20, EMA 50, and EMA 200. So guys, the blue EMA is my EMA 20, while the red is the EMA 50, the black is EMA 200. So once I see a bearish, if I'm to take a sell trade, once I see the bearish Japanese candle, I will now move down, narrow down to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so once I get to the 15 minutes time frame, okay, two things I want to see. I will change from Japanese candle to Aikanashi candle on the 15 minutes time frame. So I want to see a bearish, guys, my strategy is unique. I don't think anybody, you can see this on YouTube. Okay, so I want to see a bearish Aikanashi candle on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and this is why I use the stochastic oscillator. So I want to see the stochastic oscillator, the main line. I want to see the main line crosses the signal line downward. As you can see, the cross happened here. Okay, this happened. the main line, stochastic main line crosses the signal line downward. That's a sell trade, sell signal. So once that happened, I'll narrow down to the 5 minutes time frame for my entry. So this was what I did back on Friday. I spotted it and I narrowed down to the 15 minutes time frame for my entry. Sorry, to the 5 minutes time frame for my entry. Okay. So once what I want to do before I enter the trade, I want to see a candle close below the 20 EMA. Okay, and this was the entry. This was where I took the trade. So once a candle closed below the 20 EMA, I'll wait for the next candle. Immediately the next candle opened, that was when I took the set trade. I think at 20:53. So what I did is that I made 60 pips of this trade. So on the 15 minutes time frame, I knew price was going to reverse from the 50 EMA. Sorry, from the 50 EMA. I knew price was going to reverse from here. Once it gets to the 50 EMA on the 5 minutes time frame, I knew it was going to reverse. So I set my TP at the 50 EMA on the 15 minutes time frame. So I entered here 20:53, and I made 60 pips. Okay, I made 60 pips of this trade. Okay, that was the $6 you saw on the. Let me take you guys back to MT5. That was the $60 you saw. Yeah, I made 60 pips. Look at it, 60 pips off this trade. Okay, that was this $66 plus you saw. Okay, guys, it's that simple. So what I want to tell you, it's possible to flip a very small account in Forex. It's very possible if you know what you are doing. One, if you have a good trading psychology, you have a proper good risk management, and you have a good strategy like mine, and you are disciplined. Once you are disciplined, if you have these 4 things, you can flip any account. You can go find this industry. You're going to make a killing. Okay, guys, with that being said, I don't want to keep this video long. It's already long. This is episode 2 of the $5 to $5,000 challenge. I'm going to see you in my next video, episode 3, where I'm going to be bringing the progress. I'm going to explain what is happening with this challenge. So, guys, with that being said, I don't want to keep this video long. I remain your girl, Trader Tina. I'm going to see you in episode 3. Peace out.